Well, good morning, Chief. What are you doing with my socks? What are you doing with my socks? Hi, Ja. Well, hopefully everything on the camera will look 100 times better today because I spent like 2 hours yesterday watching tutorials on how to reset it up to see how I can get the best vlogging features out of it. So we'll see how that looks today. Get up and get ready, dude. We're out of here. We're gonna go hang out, aren't we? Where are we going? Tell them where we're going. We're going to Kevin's house first. We're going to go bowling today for a little while. What do you say? You want to go bowling? All right. Daze with Jordan the Lion. And that beautiful face begins now. We are going to bowl today at a bowling alley I've actually never been to. I think it's Winnetka Lanes in the valley. And he's here too, of course. So I decided tomorrow I'm going to go do 2 special vlogs that I've wanted to do for quite a while. I'm going to hit one along the way, and one of them is kind of the main deal that I really want to go see. So hope you guys will tune in for those next 2 days. Alright, en route to the bowling alley. So we're going to $2 bowling. Well, we've made it over to the Winnetka Lanes. I've never been here before, like I said, and did not expect to see this guy. That's a beauty, isn't it? Check out this massive Space Invader game inside the arcade. Awesome. All right, looking for a ball. I think this is the one I'm going to use. We realize the bumpers are up and we can't figure out how to get them down. Not doing bad, but none of us are doing exceptional. Kevin's got a whole ridiculous form. So when I was hanging out with Michael yesterday, finished up my taxes, he was looking for movie recommendations, so I taught him about Kingpin, and everything that we're doing here, I'm just wanting to say Kingpin lines now. You got it. Don't Munson those pins, Kevin. There it is. A bona fide strike. No bouncing off the baby bumpers at all. Our friend Kirk just ended up the whole game with a turkey, 3 strikes in a row. Let's see if we can do some first player point of view action here without messing it up. Not real great because I was holding the camera, but we tried. Well, we're back hanging out with this joker. About to head home because I want to go to Chinatown today. What do you think, Ja? Do you mind if we go to Chinatown? All right, there's our exit Broadway. Passing by historic Route 66 to enter Chinatown. There's a specific purpose for this trip today. I'll tell you when we get in here kind of why I'm doing this. Look up there on that hill. That's kind of up where Dodger Stadium is. Look at all those beautiful wildflowers up there, all those purple ones. Isn't that great? Sweets for the sweet. Famous birthday cakes. It's a happy pig. Wow, take a look at that wedding cake. It's got the staircase and everything. That's great. Even if I'm not going to be hanging out in the Central Plaza, I always come by and take a look at it. I think it's beautiful. And as you can tell with these ladies taking photos, a lot of people do that. Come here for the photo op. Okay, so you're probably wondering what we're doing down here. What we're doing is I always wear these beads. I always have these brown beads, and I always get them down in Chinatown. So recently when we were hanging out with Stefan, my friend who has been in a few of these vlogs, the Sunset Winos friend, he asked me where I got these, and Amy stepped in and said, do you know why Jordan wears those? And he said no, and she said it's because he feels like when he goes on trips that he builds up like good chi, or these like good vibes, and then he passes them on to people when he thinks that they can use it, which is true. However, I want to get Stefan some, and I think that he has his own good energy. I want him to build up his own, and I want to take Amy on a trip this summer, and if by chance I don't get to take her, I'm going to do something with these beads. So I'm going to save these for now, and we're going to pick up some for Stefan right now. And he didn't necessarily ask for them, it's just something I would like to do, because I believe they help me, and I think he should try it. So let's go find them. I'm not going to show you where I get them because that's my secret. And I may have shown it before, but I want to make sure I can still get them every time I need them. And if anybody's wondering if I'm keeping my word on the diet about the salad only and the healthy eating, I absolutely am. Even when we went to the boxing, I got a Chinese Asian salad at the venue. Yeah, I'm absolutely completely dedicated to keeping on that. All I'm having really is lox, which is like smoked salmon, some string cheese, some eggs, and salads. That's pretty much it. So I've actually found 2 vendors that carry these, and one always is overpriced and one is always perfect, so I'm hoping to get maybe 2 of them today. So like I said, I have a plan for this one. And that blue one, of course, I got in Toledo, so I'm keeping that. If I end up not finding them today, that's the first time I've ever been here and I didn't get to buy them. That's kind of cool. That's amazing. I wanted to buy 2 and I've only found 2 here, so I'll get them both. Oh, those are kind of cool. All right, I got everything I came for and more. We're out of here. Good time in Chinatown. This hat was the and more. I'm gonna need this in a few days, and the one that I bought in Mexico I got rid of, so had to buy a new one here for $5. Got the eye on you, the miracle eye. Before we take off though, I wanna go say hi to the Bruce Lee statue. I always do when I'm here. Wonder what Amy would say if I bought her something like this. I wonder if she'd wear it. Elvis would wear it, so she might. There he is. There's the Master Bruce. They did not just, mail it in either. They did a fantastic version. Doesn't get much better than that one. Now we're out of here. Back home to the Joster. So you can probably tell this is more like a chill out day. Run errands, have fun. It's one of those kind of days. Take a look at that building. I've never seen that before. It's quite an architectural masterpiece. Well, you can tell by all the traffic, we are definitely back in Los Angeles. I'm actually supposed to go have dinner with Vicki Hamilton right now, so we're about 10 minutes late for that. Hello, Vicki.
Hello, Jordan.
Last time we saw each other was Rick Springfield.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, I didn't get a photo with Rick Springfield, but you did. I love the photo.
Yeah, I met him later.
Everybody has to check out your...
Brought you along, but that other guy kind of swined in. Last guy.
What's your Instagram so people can see your photo? Do you want to promote your Instagram?
Yeah, it's Aesthetic Vicky.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I wasn't kidding. I'm still on the salads. None of that for me. Just the chicken Caesar. All right, I think I'm gonna call it a day, everyone. I have a lot to do for the upcoming days. Have a great night. Wanted to send a big shout out thank you to Rachel Delgado and Kevin Worley. Have a great night, everyone. We will see you all tomorrow. Goodbye.